Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through Webloom, a system built to understand how the web changes. Not once a day, not once a week, continuously. Webloom is a distributed platform that monitors websites, captures snapshots, detects changes, and presents them with clarity. It automates a problem that humans fundamentally cannot do manually anymore, tracking the ever-changing internet. Websites evolve silently. Prices shift. Content updates. Policies change. Competitors modify their offerings. Most people only notice when it's already too late. Webloom solves that. It captures versions of a web page over time. It compares them. It highlights what changed, how much changed, and how important the change is. The goal is simple: to give you awareness, to let you monitor anything on the web effortlessly. Let me show you the front-end dashboard. This is where the entire system becomes visible. Here, you can see all the jobs that Webloom is currently monitoring. Each job represents a website or endpoint that the system watches. Opening a job gives access to its run history, metadata, and stored snapshots. Every time the page changes, Webloom captures it and stores a new version. This is the history timeline. It shows each captured version in order. From here, I can open any snapshot and study its structure, both the raw HTML and the parsed text. And this is a comparison view. Webloom highlights additions, removals, and modifications between two versions. Instead of reading two pages manually, the system tells you exactly where they differ. This front end is powered entirely by live backend data. Every element is rendered from real job runs, real snapshots, and real change detection results. Now, let's move to the back end, the heart of the operation. What you see here in the terminal are distributed workers running in real time. Each worker performs a specialized task. One fetches HTML. Another parses and extracts data. Another computes differences. Another stores snapshots and change records. Every action is passed through reliable queues. No single worker blocks another. No job is ever lost. The system continues operating even under load. This architecture gives Webloom horizontal scalability. We can add more workers, and the system grows automatically. Let me show you how Webloom's API works. First, this is a job creation API. I provide the URL, the job name, and the extraction type. When I send this request, the backend instantly creates a new monitoring job and prepares it for execution. Now I'll use the job run API. This endpoint triggers a run for the job we just created. When I click send, the system generates a new job run and dispatches into queue. With that done, I'll switch to the terminal so you can see the workers reacting in real time. Here in the terminal, you can see the workers picking up the job. The fetcher agent retrieves the page. The parser agent extracts the content. The snapshot agent stores version 5. And the change detector prepares the initial comparison state. Each agent updates its logs as the job moves through the pipeline. This demonstrates that the API, the queue, and the distributed worker system are all synchronized perfectly. Now let's go back to Postman and look at the History API. This endpoint shows a complete record of runs and snapshot versions for the job we just executed. Here we can see version 5 created, along with a timestamp and extraction metadata. Using the Snapshot Viewer API, I can open the screenshot or HTML of version 1. exactly as Webloom captured it. And I can do this for any version stored in the system. When I run the job again, Webloom generates version 2. And using the version 2 API, I can open its snapshot the same way. Finally, this is a comparison API. This endpoint highlights the exact changes between version 1 and version 2. Let me summarize what has been built so far. Phase 1, job system and database schema. Phase 2, worker consumers and message queues. Phase 3, HTML fetch engine. Phase 4, snapshot storage and versioning. Phase 5, change detection engine. Phase 6, change scoring and labeling. Phase 7, history API and timeline system. Phase 8, front-end dashboard, version viewer, and comparison UI. These phases complete the core Webloom. The system can now monitor websites, detect changes, and present insights in real time. At this stage, Webloom functions as a complete monitoring pipeline. It fetches websites. It stores versions. It compares updates. It scores the significance. It visualizes everything clearly. This creates a powerful foundation for the next generation of features. Now, let's take a look at what comes next. Webloom is more than a scraper. It is an intelligent monitoring system that understands how the web evolves. With distributed workers, reliable queues, automated versioning, diff engines, and a complete dashboard, the foundation is solid. And with the next phases, Webloom will grow into a production-grade platform capable of tracking any website, analyzing changes, and delivering insights at scale. Thank you for watching.